Hello everyone, my name is Astad. This is Coursera Tidings, and let's head on to the news of this week. So first of all, GitHub has introduced Enterprise Server 3.0. So there are some neat features coming to GitHub Server 3.0. So these include GitHub Actions, like you can have developer first workflow control and CI/CD. They are GitHub packages. You can use them to publish and consume GitHub packages and code together. You have GitHub mobile apps coming as a beta version. So iOS and Android apps for collaborating from any device. Apart from that, if you are a company or organization using GitHub, you have code scanning, where you can scan every pull request for known vulnerabilities with Code SQL. Apart from that, there is also a code scanning, secret scanning feature, which is currently in beta. This can detect credentials in code before they hit production. I think that Microsoft is doing some amazing things after the acquisition of GitHub, and I don't say that very often. Talking about Microsoft, Microsoft's latest Windows 10 20H2 preview has come, and it fixes of bugs. So let me tell you what all it fixes. So there are fixes for Internet Explorer 11, Microsoft Intune, BitLocker encryption, Azure Active Directory, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, and memory issues with LAS-EXE. So in another news, Google's parent company Alphabet is shutting down Loon. So do you know this air balloon company where there was a plan to give internet to everyone through these air balloons? Google says that we can't do it. So according to a Medium blog post, they have said that while we have found a number of willing partners along the way, we haven't found a way to get the cost in low enough to build a long enough term and have a sustainable business. So another major news from Google and Australia in particular. So Google has threatened to pull search from Australia if media bargaining code becomes the law. So let me explain you what has happened here. So Australian Competition and Consumer Commission ACCC has said that Google, you are in here for quite a few years now, and our news businesses have been losing a lot of money. So what we want you to do is that you pay these news businesses for showing their news on Google. And what Google said? Fuck off. Yeah. So Google has said that they would have to pull out the search from Australia if that happens. So these are all the news that we had for you this week. Tune in another week to find out what's hot in the software industry. Ta-da!